2024 is the year where I'm expecting gaming altcoins to explode. Back in the last bull market, we saw Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and countless other gaming projects do 50 to 100x in value. And this bull market, I'm expecting much of the same, except I'm expecting gaming altcoins that are rallying to be more focused on the entire gaming ecosystem rather than just building one game in particular. And that brings us to a project I want to talk about that is called the Gate Dao. And the Gate Dao is ultimately trying to create an engaging, enjoyable, and high-quality games for all ages. And they're seeing that their mission is to create an impactful experience in the gaming sector for crypto. You can see they talk about this all on their roadmap, and they ultimately are recognizing the fact that people spend hours every single day on their phones. They're often aimlessly just scrolling, and they want to capitalize on this attention by creating games that people actually enjoy, that are fun, challenging, and fill the gap in the market for these gaming enthusiasts. So this is a product I think is especially interesting because of its DAO approach and because of the team behind it. So if you look at it, they brand themselves as the future of mobile gaming. And at the very moment, they've been written about in, like, say, Yahoo News and a couple major articles. And in this, they talk about how the Gate DAO was founded by Omar Basafar. He's a 28-year-old technical analyst from Saudi Arabia. He has major experience in trading, and in the short term, it talks about some of their mission, some of their goals of like becoming and reinventing the gaming landscape with innovative game creations that people actually enjoy. They talk about long term, how within the next 10 years, they're trying to establish a network of game studios and aiming to cultivate innovation and excellence. Right now, where they are, though, is going to be with this NFT collection. So the Gate DAO is announcing like the upcoming launch and the launch of their exclusive NFT collection. If you go to their website, you scroll all the way down, they talk about this on their website. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, it says buy DAO token. It says, we invite you to buy us on this journey by purchasing the Gate DAO tokens. These tokens will not only grant you access to exclusive game releases and early bird bonuses, but also provide you with a voice within their community. So you can get these by just clicking on Mint Store. And if you go ahead and look on their white paper, it goes through the whole entire process. It says how with NFT minting, the Gate DAO's NFT minting process is extremely simple. The minting date is going to be 8/2/2024. Minting price is 0.07 ETH, and it gives you the token address. It also says the minting process. You just go ahead to thegatedao.com, go to the project page in the banner at the top, select Mint Store, which we just showed you how to do. You just basically go on the website, and you'll see it says Mint Store at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you'll choose the quantity of NFTs you want to purchase, click on Mint Now, pay the gas fee, and it's really that simple. So by having one of these NFTs, you could help influence within the DAO, make decisions, and the rarity of the minted NFT directly correlates to the voting power and governance rights. The thing with this project right now is if you go over to their Twitter and scroll down a bit, they talk about one of their up-and-coming projects. And if you click on it, says coming soon, presented by the Gate DAO. This project in particular looks really, really cool in terms of its graphics. And this is ultimately showcasing what they're going to be doing in the future with building out different games. So this project, and you could see they talk about this all with this bit of a demo graphic. You could see this over on their Twitter where they just go through some of the graphics of this game. We could get back to that in a minute, but also on the website. If you go over to website, you click on projects, well, it's going to say Stone Gate Collection. It says the Stone Gate represented by their DAO tokens, and they say that this is going to be part of their roadmap. So 2023, it says phase 1, website completion, social media activation, collection creation, and marketing campaign. Phase 2 is going to be the NFT giveaway, releasing collection and minting NFT. And then phase 3 is going to be preparing the DAO, investing, planning, and strategizing, community engagement. And then finally into phase 4, which is going to be creating their mobile games. You can see that this has a very cool design and very cool and approach to building out games because it has that DAO approach. But you could see that if you go back, you could see how this has some really, really cool graphics. And like I said, this is going to be like this very first project on their in their DAO and part of their ecosystem. And like I said, this project is called, where you can see, the Stone Gate Collection. So that's something that is pretty cool as well. Last two things I want to go over with this project is that we've already talked about the game and these graphics. We've talked about this as being the first project. We've talked about a little bit about their team with their founder and experience they have. But I want to also address a few key things in terms of their mission, which they talk about on their website. So on the website, if you scroll down a little bit, after their roadmap, it says that, look, with the Gate Dao portfolio, they aim at leaving a lasting mark on the gaming industry. That's something that I really like, and why I think this project could explode in 2024, because ultimately their investment strategy isn't just to build one game. They ultimately plan to construct their own unique gameplay utilizing NFT characters that they've already crafted, and they want to continue to bring about the best games into the crypto space. So their vision is to make a mark on the gaming industry, not just by building like one game or just one creation, but by continually working with the DAO to see what the best approach is going to be towards gaming moving forward and making investments in games. So this is something that I think is going to be really cool and definitely worthwhile. You can go ahead, see they've been written about on Yahoo Finance, Be in Crypto, and ultimately this is a project that I am going to hopefully be a part of for a long time. We'll see what happens with this project, but they have a lot of plans for mobile gaming, and I think that is where the crypto space is going.